Yes, you may be able to connect your TV to your Bluetooth speaker. Here's the device you'll need to make it happen. It'll take your TV's optical digital audio signal and send it out wirelessly to your Bluetooth speaker. You can find this device in the description along with other products you may want to pick up. Okay, now that we've seen how it works on paper, let's take it to the real world and see just how we're actually going to make this connection. Here on Simple Cafe Sound, illustrated tutorials short and sweet. Here's my TV playing audio, and this is what I'm going to use to get that audio over to my Bluetooth speaker. Now wait a second, why are there two devices there instead of just the one I showed you earlier? Well, that's because this one here is a little more special. Insofar as that it's a 2-in-1 device, it's got a converter and a transmitter all packed into one. As for my converter, it doesn't have a Bluetooth transmitter inside, so I'm bringing one in separately. And now it too has Bluetooth. So with that, let's start the steps to get our TV's audio to come out of our Bluetooth speaker. My optical cable here is already plugged into the TV, and that's why it's glowing red. Believe it or not, that's the audio signal. Don't have an optical cable? Hey, it may be included in one of your purchases. Okay, with the TV's audio now in my converter, it's ready to be shot out wirelessly via Bluetooth. Here I plug in its power and it's ready to go. Next, I'll give it Bluetooth capabilities by plugging in the separate Bluetooth transmitter. Which, remember, if you have that special one, you don't need to do this extra step. All you need to do is make sure that if it has two settings, RX and TX, make sure it's set to TX, because that means transmit, RX means receive. You want to transmit. Okay, so as I connect via aux, the audio from the transmitter, which remember is coming from the TV, will be forwarded by the converter through the aux cable right here into our transmitter, so it can cast out your TV's audio via Bluetooth, meaning our connection is complete. So let's switch over to the audio from the video to hear the actual results. Here I have my transmitter and speaker both in pairing mode. See the lights blinking? Just a matter of time before they link up, and voila, all done. Check out all these other audio solutions I have for you. Like to help me, share to help out others, and sub to stay in the loop. You can even support directly with the YouTube thanks button. Hope you get connected, and I'll see you on the next one.